Hey there, how are my masters of the internet doing today? It's Gabrielle Everett here again, and today we will be doing another tutorial on the Power Lead system. Today I'm going to focus on lead capture pages. So if you come here where it says capture leads, you see a drop down menu, and we want to go down to the part that says create lead capture pages. Now, we always want to create custom template. If you are an advanced web developer, you might want to do a blank template, but we're going to do custom. And we always want to use one that has an opt-in form, because that is the whole purpose of the lead capture page. We want to capture the person's contact information. So here we have an instructional video that is going to talk to you about how to use the lead capture pages in a lot more detail than I am right now, but just want to give you an overview and show you. So here we have a bunch of different lead capture pages that we can choose from, and we can edit and personalize them. So I'm gonna just take a quick look at this area, dynamic video lead capture pages. This is where you can insert a video into this little black area here. But I just wanted to show you the different fields that are covered here. There are all kinds of templates. Right now I have it on real estate, but you have auto sales, chiropractor, Christian, coffee shop, dentist, doctors, general, insurance, landscapers, lawyers, etc., etc. So covers a wide scope of different companies or businesses that you can promote with that. Okay, but for our purposes today, we're going to pick this lead capture page just to show you how to get it set up. So this is the full screen image capture page, and you get to choose the information you want to collect. Email and name, email, phone number, or simply email. I always like to choose name and email. I feel people sometimes don't want to give out their phone numbers. And once you get that chosen, you'll be able to edit the page. Alright, so this just shows you the different fields that you can edit. Now, you always want to set up a subdomain for whatever you are advertising, and that'll become more self-explanatory later on when you are using the capture pages. But let's just say this is the XYZ Corporation, so we're going to put that subdomain there, XYZ dot, and that's my domain. The other part you want to pay attention to is this auto responder campaign. You're going to choose which autoresponder campaign is attached to your lead capture page. So here you see tons of ready-made autoresponder campaigns. You can set up your own as well. You can see mine here that I had set up, and you'll choose which one will go along with that lead capture page. And if you're using an opt-in form, then you will choose the next page that the people see after they fill out the opt-in form. And so those pages also will be in your drop-down menu for different sales pages that you might have created. If you've gotten a lead capture page from someone else, then it'll default to the default sales page that they've already set up. You can set in search engine optimization and keywords here. Then you'll save your changes. Moving along, you can change the background. You can add your own background. We're just going to say keep the background. And then the text. You can edit this text here so that it'll contain anything that you would like. Okay, once you have edited your text, you want to go down and save those changes. Then you get a chance to view your web page. And there it is. So this is the beginning of your funnel. And it's really probably the most important page that you can create because it will collect the prospect's contact information and set them up for your autoresponder email campaigns. Next, we will move on to how to create a sales page. So I'll get that video out to you very soon. In the meantime, you can look below for my contact information, my getting started links, and more information on how you can get started in your online business empire.